How to compress video without losing quality. Compressing a video without losing quality can be challenging, as video compression often involves a trade-off between file size and video quality. However, there are some techniques you can use to compress video while minimizing the loss of quality. Handbrake is a popular free tool for compressing videos while maintaining their quality. Here are the steps to compress a video using Handbrake. Download and install Handbrake from the official website. Next, open Handbrake and click on the Open Source button to select the video you want to compress. In the Output Settings section, choose a destination for the compressed video. Select the video codec and quality settings you want to use. Handbrake offers a range of presets that you can choose from, such as High Profile or Fast 1080p 30. Adjust the constant quality slider to set the desired quality level. The higher the quality, the larger the resulting file size. Optionally, you can also adjust the resolution, frame rate, and other settings to further optimize the video compression. Click on the Start Encode button to begin the compression process. Wait for Handbrake to finish compressing the video. The compressed video will be saved to the destination you selected earlier. And that's it. You should now have a compressed video that maintains its quality using Handbrake. Note that the compression time will depend on the length of the video and the settings you want to use. Note that the compression time will depend on the length of the video and the settings you have chosen, so be prepared to wait for a few minutes or longer for larger files. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and turn on the notification bell and subscribe. Thanks for watching!